Alright guys, so this problem asks us, during a sale, a dress is marked down from a selling price of $60 to a sale price of $57. What is the percent markdown? And on the top right you guys will see an equation that's going to be helpful throughout this process. You could use these on all the problems, and that is Q equals the percent times the original. So for this one, remember they said we want to find out the percent markdown. But the first thing we're going to do is subtract. So you're going to see the first thing we want to do, step one, is 60 minus 57. Okay, those were our selling price and the sale price, and the difference between those is going to be 3. So now that we have this information, we can use that and plug it right into our equation that I mentioned at the top right. So it is going to look like this. Step 2, 3 that we just found equals 60, which is the original price, times P. We're going to say P because we want to find the percent markdown. That's what we don't know, and by using this equation, that's what it's going to tell us. So how do we get P alone to solve for that? You want to divide by 60. And then again, do this on both sides of the equation. So then that becomes 3 over 60. This cancels out, and we are left with P. So once you guys solve what 3 divided by 60 is, you will find out that it is 0.5, and that tells you, if you convert it to a percent, that it's going to be a 5% markdown. Okay, so guys, this is problem 5 on your homework, and it says the selling price of an item is $650. It is discounted 10%, but the sale price is still marked up from the cost of $450. Find the markup from the cost to the sale price. And they give us a hint, and they say we should find the discount first, then find the percent markup. So first thing we're going to do is take that hint. We're going to take the 650 and multiply that by the 10% in order to find the discount, but we know that we have to convert that to a decimal, so it becomes 0.10, and that leaves us with 65. So now we can subtract the selling price, $650, from the 10% discount, 65, which gives us 585. So once we have that number, we are going to take it and subtract it from the cost of 450. So 585 minus 450 is going to equal 135. So now that we have that, we can just divide this number right here, 135, by the cost of $450. So 135 divided by 450 is going to give you 0.3. So we want to convert that decimal to a fraction, and it would become 30%. So that gives us a 30% markup. Okay, this is problem 6 on the homework, and it says the selling price of an item is $600. After 6 months of not selling, it is discounted 30%. After another 6 months of not selling, it is discounted further by 20%. Find the sale price after both discounts. So this is going to be a 2-step problem, but all we're doing for this one is finding 2 sale prices. So we do that by multiplying the original price by the percent that it was discounted. So for the first one, we have $600 as the selling price, It didn't sell, so they put a 30% discount on that. And we know to find that we have to convert the percent to a decimal. So 30% becomes 0.3. So we'll multiply 600 times 0.3. And that gives us 180. So 180 is how much money they took off from the 600. So we need to subtract the original $600 from the discount, which was 180. And that leaves us with $420. So after not selling for 6 months at $600, they marked it down by 30%, and that first discount was equal to $420. So that's the first step. And they said after another 6 months it still didn't sell, so they were going to discount it even more. So we know it was now at $420. And like we did above, we want to multiply it by the discount, which was 20%. We convert 20% to a decimal. That becomes 0.2. And 420 times 0.2 gives you 84. So that is the discount from the already discounted $420. Next, you take that price of $420 and subtract 84. That's going to leave you with 336. So 336 is going to be the price after the second discount, where they took 20% off of the already discounted 420. So it's a two-step problem, and it leaves you with the first discount, $420, second discounted price, $336. Alright, this is problem 10 on the homework, and it gives us the original price of $55, the sale price of $46.75, and it wants us to find the discount. So this is where that equation we talked about earlier really comes in handy, where it's set up like Q equals percent times the original. So using that equation, just plugging in these numbers is going to be really helpful. So here's how it would look. You want to take the $46.75, which is the sale price. That's going to take the place of the Q in this equation. So $46.75 equals the percent discount. That's what we need to find and don't have, so we'll just call that P. And you're going to multiply that by the original, which is, in this case, 55. So to get P alone, we divide by 55 on both sides. 55. And then after you do 46.75 divided by 55, that leaves you with 0.85. So 0.85 equals a percent discount. So in order to find how much that is, you would take 100% minus 85. And that's going to give you 15%. So the percent discount in this case was 15%.